Another no signal. Just a little bit further. Thank you. Well, I didn't tell you to turn. Just pull out a little farther. What the fuck? One after another now. Me, the crew. What the hell are you doing on the wrong side of the road? What the? Yeah, now you can go as slow as possible, I guess.
And 2 years later, she killed herself. She hung herself to death.
Whoa.
That's
Why
an interesting
would you
story.
motion me to keep going?
That's worth listening to and pondering. Because it means it takes 2 years after blowing me for the shame to be too much that you got.
Oh, he's sitting at green, okay. I was about to say, like... Ooh. And you turn right in front of someone. But crossed 2 lanes last second to the left.
They're trying not to throw up the lobster you bought them to get you to blow you in the first place, all right? That's real life.
Come on, old timer.
It's sad. Didn't they have that look on their face like...
And yeah, kind of ran a red light there, but I'll kind of sort of forgive her.
Just swallow it.
Pull the trigger, drop the blue. I might as well go, you're in my way. Definitely ran red. What are you doing? It would help with your turns if you had your turn signal on.
Feel free to send me yours. Nothing belongs to take me away from you. There's nothing but 100 men or more would never do. That's away.
Why aren't you all the way in the turn lane? Why aren't you all the way in the turn lane? What? That's a left turn only lane that you got merged in. Now you're gonna merge back over. He went left from the straight only. What are you doing? You're dumb if you try it. Yeah, what do you know? Saw from a mile away. That's a smart move. Taxi. And you're just going to keep going. Jesus Christ. I know. I'm so damn indecisive. Oh, is this a dual turn? That's straight only lane. I'm in the left turn lane. I don't know what the fuck these people are doing. You look for people, douche.
If Christmas my true love gave to me, 9 cups of dropping 8 spoons of starting 7, 3 pounds of grass, 200 wet, and a double
That's a left turn lane. You're going straight from.
How do you know when it's New Year's? That's the big mystery to me.
They probably will, but that shot will be his last shot. Oh, yeah.
You're dumb.
They could have, and they should have, won this football game anyway.
Can we like not walk in the middle of the damn street?
Won. How many times are...
So he was alert, and Reeves is still really good. He's not as good as he once was. No, he's not Reeves. He did back off Sammy Watkins yesterday. He basically said, I'm going to let Sammy Watkins catch the ball.
What the fuck was that?
In front of him a lot of the day. Now, some of those...
Charger goes right through the red light.
I think on paper they could have locked down the division by April.
No.
It's an absolute dogfight. Max Scherzer is one of the best pitchers in baseball. I don't know if you guys noticed this, but for the last 6 weeks...
Straight from left turn only. We're gonna cross the middle of the street in front of a huge garbage truck and get honked at. Ha!
some honey glaze. I'm crisp and juicy too. Let's hope they get served.
What the fuck? Yeah, I know there's traffic, but you can't really do that. No.
Outside and all things. The people lining up to desecrate the body. Yeah, on the street, I've seen at least 300 already to find
The world, I'll send an SOS to the world. I hope that someone gets mine. Hope that what the fuck?
Any head coach worth his salt is going to want to name his own staff. So,
And you're going to do that.
has to go if you want to get a good, big time coach.
Well, what are you stopping for? Oh, now you signal. I'm just gonna keep going.